Vaccines are one of the most essential medical tools in preventing infectious diseases and maintaining public health. This comprehensive guide explores the fundamental understanding of vaccines, manufacturing processes, facility setup requirements, and global regulatory standards. From the basic science behind how vaccines work to the complex GMP facility requirements, this presentation provides a structured overview of what it takes to produce safe and effective vaccines for global distribution. Vaccines are biological preparations designed to provide acquired immunity against specific infectious diseases. They work by stimulating the immune system to recognize and combat pathogens without causing the disease itself. There are various types of vaccines, including live attenuated vaccines, inactivated vaccines, subunit, recombinant, polysaccharide, and conjugate vaccines, as well as advanced vaccine technologies like mRNA-based and viral vector vaccines. Vaccines are crucial for several critical public health reasons. They eradicate diseases, establish herd immunity, reduce mortality and morbidity, prevent disease outbreaks, and reduce healthcare costs. This comprehensive approach not only saves lives but also reduces the economic burden of disease management and treatment. The vaccine manufacturing process involves several key steps: antigen generation, isolation and purification, formulation, filling and finishing, and quality control and release. Each step is critical to ensuring the safety and efficacy of the final vaccine product. Good manufacturing practices, GMP, are regulations and guidelines ensuring that products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. GMP compliance is critical in industries like pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, medical devices, and food processing. The facility setup involves site selection, utility installation, facility design, and validation to ensure compliance with GMP requirements. Facility requirements for vaccine manufacturing include site selection, zoning and layout, and modular design. These elements ensure a clean, uncontaminated environment, proper segregation of materials, and adaptable systems to maintain compliance with local regulations and GMP standards. GMP facilities are divided into different zones based on the required cleanliness level. Each zone has specific air quality requirements, particulate limits, and microbial control standards. Personnel movement between zones requires specific gowning procedures and airlocks to maintain the integrity of each area and prevent cross-contamination. Clean utilities are essential for vaccine manufacturing, including purified water, water for injection, clean steam, and compressed air and gases. These utilities must meet strict purity standards to ensure product quality and safety. Non-contact utilities support facility operations without direct contact with the product. These include chilled water, steam for HVAC, non-potable water, and process waste drainage. They must be properly designed and maintained to support GMP operations and prevent contamination. Environmental controls are crucial for maintaining the required cleanroom conditions in vaccine manufacturing facilities. HVAC systems with HEPA filtration, differential pressure zones, and temperature, humidity controls ensure product stability and environmental compliance. Global regulatory requirements for vaccine manufacturing include compliance with standards set by organizations like the FDA, EMA, Health Canada, TGA, WHOPQ, and SAHPRA. Meeting these requirements is essential for the global distribution of vaccines. Additional considerations for vaccine manufacturing include personnel requirements, validation requirements, and documentation. Proper training, continuous validation, and comprehensive documentation ensure compliance with protocols and regulatory standards.